Good morning, guys. So it's my first day my work today after 2 weeks holiday, guys. So we going to work this morning. So kape-kape muna tayo, guys, with the eggs and coffee after magbihis na, guys. So tara, guys, back to work na. I'm ready na, guys. So ito yung baon ko. Nagbaon din akong toilet paper. Yan yung bag ko. Tsaka ito. Importante ito, guys. Dahil pag hindi ka naka-scan, wala kang sahod. Ayan, guys. I'm ready to work.
Implementation ng mga infrastructure projects.
Guys, ready na.
Pero totoo po ba, Madam Secretary, Joseph Cathy, na makukuha po ba natin
I'm ready!
yung record ng bawat project online?
Ayan, guys, as usual, nandito na naman ako sa may lalim ng puno. Naghihintay ng bus, guys. Dito ako maghihintay kasi ang init doon. So, hello. It's my first day. So, I'm not excited because as usual, the same every day and the same people. Ayan, guys. So, this is it. Work na after 2 weeks holiday. So after, I hope next year we can go Portugal. We are planning to go Portugal next year, guys, next holiday. So I hope I can save more money for Portugal trip, guys. So this is it. Hello, guys, welcome to Cyprus. Welcome to Zara. Ayan. Darating as usual 8:40 dito yung bus. So before 5 minutes I will go there. That sign. Ayan, guys. Yung malapit sa may sasakyan, dyan ako maghihintay ng bus. Time check is 8:30 pa lang ng umaga. So 8:35 pupunta na ako dyan, guys. Maghihintay ng bus. And guys, see you later. Malilit yata ako nito, guys. 8:45 na, guys. Hindi pa rin dumating yung bus. Dapat nandito na siya ng 8:40. Oh my God, it's my first day. Late ako. Baka malilate ako, guys. But actually, 10 o'clock naman yung starting ko, pero ayoko nang yung tumatakbo na ako, guys. 8:50 na siya, guys. Late siya ng 10 minutes. Wala pa rin bus, guys. Ayan. First day ko na late pa. Malilate. Wag naman sana. Nasa mall na ako. Ayan, o. Nasa mall ako, guys. Pero mamaya pa naman 10 o'clock yung duty ko. So punta muna ako dito sa first floor. Kakain ng konti. Dahil I'm sure 3 o'clock na naman yung break time ko. So Zara na. Yan. Pero mamaya pa ako papasok, guys. 10 o'clock. Before 10 o'clock. Ayan, guys. Nandito na ako sa sa food court. Yan, o. Kain muna ako nito. Tsaka yan, o. Hintayin ko yung time ko kasi 10 o'clock pa. So, I'm arrived in the mall 9:25. So, may 20 minutes pa ako, guys. Na mag-upo-upo. Ayan, oh. Upo-upo.